What is going on, guys? Gregos TV. This is the newest color for the Samsung Galaxy Buds. It's silver, but as you can see, it's got that cool aura glow color to it, which is the same color as the Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus that's out there now, that crazy cool looking color, and it should be on the case as well as the buds. We're gonna do an unboxing, a setup, and just check these out overall. Let's jump into this. And here we go. These are the Samsung Galaxy Buds in the silver aura glow color. And I purchased mine at Best Buy currently because on Samsung's website at the time of making this video, they're only up for pre-order, but maybe by the time you're watching this, they're already available. I'll link both sites down below, Samsung and Best Buy, if you want to purchase them there, $129.99. And they are the same Galaxy Buds that you've bought in the past if you've purchased these. And we'll open this first just to prolong this a little bit for you. USB-C cable, all that stuff. Because that's what's nice about these is that they do charge with USB-C, unlike almost every other headphones, especially some of the Chinese ones. So there you go, that's a USB-C cable. And then a bunch of different fittings if you want different sized like cushions at the end of the earbuds, if your ears are bigger, smaller. And there you go. So the color of this case is obviously reflective, and I'll show this more outside. Once we do that, I'll just do the unboxing here first, but we will check these out outside to see how they look in the sun. That's cool. It's got that silver casing to it. And I'll also compare these against the white ones as well, which I do have up here. So this is the white ones. And I think I like the silver better. Silver's pretty cool looking. Has the same branding, Samsung. Has the powered by AKG, or sound by AKG, I should say, on both of these. Right below Samsung.com, you probably can't see that. Ooh, those are dope looking. Those are really, I'm gonna put these white ones to the side. That is amazing. They look really premium and cool, super shiny. You can see pink. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Again, I'll show these outside, but you can see the pink on them. Mostly just pinkish on there. You have some yellow. Those are really, really cool. USB-C charging in the back. So let's get these set up. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to the Google Play Store and download the Galaxy Wearable app. And then once you download that, you want to hit open. Now, if you come to this point where I actually already have Galaxy Buds and you want to connect new ones, all you're going to do is hit the three lines in the top left and hit connect to new device. And then you're going to choose Galaxy Buds. And it says, let's pair up, pairing to connect, device spotted nearby. Hopefully it's these ones. We'll open these up. And then it found them, so it's going to be that bottom one. Just leave those open. Congrats on your new Galaxy Buds. Hit agree. Let's put those down back here. And then it's asking me to tailor my notification so you only receive the information you want. So I can do all apps and get notifications or just incoming calls, messages, missed calls. You can really choose what you want to get notifications on. I'm just going to keep it to, because I don't want it to, well, I'll do messages. Well, yeah, let's see. I actually use this one. So I'm just going to do messages, missed calls, and incoming calls. You can do as many or as little as you want. You can do all apps if you want. And then it's just telling you how to use your Galaxy Buds. You can use tap the touchpad to play or pause the music. Double tap to play the next track or answer or end call. You can triple tap to play the previous track. And then touch and hold, and that can be, you can change this in the settings, which means it'll either decline the call and or do user's choice and change the settings. So ambient sound also, you can turn that on to amplify sounds from your surroundings so you can stay aware of what's going on around you. Quick ambient sound, touch and hold to turn down media volume and turn up ambient sound temporarily. You can select this option in the settings. Pair with a phone or a tablet, walks you through that. Charging with your phone. So if you have a Galaxy S10 or a Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, you can charge these on the back of the phone, which is always a cool thing. You can also check the battery level. So let's just hit finish. And obviously they're both at 100% and they should be. You can change the sound down here. I think dynamic sounds the best, so I leave it at that. You can get, we can manage our notifications like we just set up a second ago. The touchpad. Okay, let's just jump through the touchpad settings real quick. You can lock the touchpad if you don't want them to do anything. You can also go in here and go into left, and you can make it do certain things. If you touch it and hold it, you can make it bring up the voice command. You can make it do quick ambient sound, which is going to be that thing where you hold it and you can hear the outside surroundings. It'll lower down the music for you. Same thing with ambient sound. And then volume down, you can do that. And if you choose volume down, it's going to automatically change it to volume up. This is a key thing. I have a video on this. If you're getting really low sound with your Galaxy Buds, this is what the setting you have to turn on. You have to change the buds settings to volume up and down. That way you can change the volume on the earbuds, not just from the phone, but also on the buds themselves. You can also come in here and find your buds. If you tap on Find My Buds, you have to have them out of the casing, but if you hit start, I don't know if you can hear that. You can probably hear that, and I'll push it near my microphone. Just makes that sound. So it makes them kind of easier to find if you lost your earbuds. Since they're wireless, it's a good chance you might lose them. So at this point, let's jump into checking out these earbuds and giving you my final impressions. Now, if you want to purchase these, I actually purchased mine at Best Buy. I'll link that down below, as well as Samsung's website if you want to purchase them there. They're $129.99 currently, and they sound awesome, just like all the other Galaxy Buds as well, because it's the same one, it's just a different color. But if you want these to match your phone, especially if you're getting the Aura Glow color for the Note 10, Note 10 Plus, I would definitely recommend purchasing these. And overall, they just sound awesome anyway. And if you're going to get any of the Galaxy Bud, regardless of what phone you have, get this color, because I think it's the best one yet. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace!